welcome back. It is Saturday, April the 18th. Starting off for part A today, we have a 15-minute AMRAP. We're gonna hit conditioning first. We will perform in 15 minutes as many rounds as possible of 10 box jumps, 15 Abmat Sit Ups, and 20 single arm Russian kettlebell swings. Let's talk about some modifications. Reminder that for those of you that do not have a box, you could perform a broad jump or a lateral jump instead. For the Abmat Sit Up, if you don't have something to put under your back, you can find a towel, a rolled up sweatshirt, anything to give your lower back a little bit of cushion. And the Russian kettlebell swing, you could swing a dumbbell. If you don't have a kettlebell, you could also try to fill up a heavy backpack and swing that with one arm. For part B today, we will be doing 4 rounds for quality. Starting on the right side, we have 10 pistols. We will follow that up by trying 10 single arm Sots presses. And then we will do 10 single arm bent rows. We will repeat that list on the left, starting with the pistols, the then Sots press, and the single arm bent rows. Reminder that on the pistol, we can practice our various modifications where maybe we do a pistol onto a box, or we can work the pistol prep movements with one foot behind you to take a little weight off of your leg. For the Sots press, we want to make sure that we're maintaining a good squat form. So if you cannot perform this movement at full depth in a squat, then let's raise your squat up slightly until you can perform this with good squat integrity and trying to lock out your arm overhead. The single arm bent rows, we will perform that without our non-working hand resting on a box. So we're really going to challenge your posterior chain and your core to hold your body in the right position. All right, everybody, good luck. We're excited to hear how you did.